Women in their 60s reveal how they look as young as a 20-year-old girl with this natural cream. It erases wrinkles, removes dullness, and makes your skin glow. Bookmark this video before it disappears. First, take 2 tablespoons of flaxseed in a bowl, as flaxseed helps reduce wrinkles around the eyes and forehead. Then add 2 tablespoons of rice to a saucepan, because rice is one of the beauty secrets of Japanese skin. Add 1 cup of water and boil it for 10 minutes. After boiling, let the mixture cool down. Meanwhile, take 1 potato, peel it, and grate it. Since potatoes are rich in antioxidants that help stimulate the production of natural collagen in the skin, now put the cooled boiled mixture into an electric mixer, add the grated potato, and blend well until it turns into a smooth paste. Then strain the mixture using a clean net cloth and your natural cream is ready. To use, apply it to your face daily in the evening. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then wash it off with water. Grow your hair in just 15 days with this simple natural recipe. This recipe is suitable for all hair types. If your hair is thinning, breaks easily, does not grow beyond a certain length, or sheds excessively, this recipe can help. Bookmark this video before it disappears. For this natural recipe, first put 1 tablespoon of cloves into a saucepan. Cloves help restore natural hair color and promote hair growth. Next, add 3 bay leaves, which also help regain natural hair color. Then add 1 cup of water to the saucepan and let it boil on low heat for 10 minutes. Once boiled, strain the mixture using a fine strainer. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of coffee and mix well. Your magical hairspray is ready. Transfer it into a spray bottle, spray it onto your scalp, and massage well for 5 minutes. Then wash your hair with water. Repeat this process 3 days a week for 1 month, and you will notice a visible difference after just 2 weeks. Tomatoes can make your skin look younger and give it a baby-like white glow. Bookmark this video before it disappears. For this, we will need 1 tomato. Cut the tomato into slices as shown in the demonstration. Once cut, put the tomato slices into an electric mixer and blend well until it turns into a smooth mixture. Transfer this into a bowl. Then take 1 tablespoon of tomato paste for demonstration. You can make more as needed. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, which helps to exfoliate your skin, and mix well. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. It evens the skin tone and helps fight pigmentation and wrinkles. Mix everything well. Apply this to your face in the morning and leave it on for 15 minutes. Then wash it off. Use this daily for 15 days, and you will be amazed after just 7 uses. Banana and honey can make your skin look younger, like that of a baby girl, and also help fight against wrinkles and dullness. Bookmark this video before it disappears. For this recipe, first we will need half a banana. Peel the banana and cut it. We only need 1 piece. Banana is rich in potassium and vitamins that nourish, plump, and brighten the skin and help fight dullness and wrinkles. Then, take 1 tablespoon of honey in a bowl, add the piece of banana, and mash it well until it turns into a smooth, cream-like mixture. How to use. Apply this to your face and skin for 20 minutes in the morning, then wash it off. Use this only 3 days a week for 1 month, and you'll be amazed by the results in just 2 weeks.